In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a signature in Outlook. If you want your emails to look more professional and save time when writing messages, adding a signature is a great step. A signature can include your name, job title, company, or any other closing details you want to appear automatically at the end of your emails. Outlook makes this fairly simple, and I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along. First, open Outlook in your browser and make sure you're in your mailbox. Once you're on the main Outlook screen, look to the top right corner and click the settings icon. This is the gear-shaped icon that gives you access to your Outlook preferences and customization options. After the settings area opens, find and click on Account. This section contains options related to your profile and how your email account is set up. From there, click on Signatures. This is the area where Outlook lets you create, edit, and manage the signature that will appear in your emails. Now click Add Signature. This will open a new signature entry so you can start creating your own. In the text box provided, type your signature and format it the way you want. You can keep it simple with just your name or make it more detailed by adding things like your role, department, or a short closing line. If formatting tools are available, you can also adjust the font, size, or emphasis to make it look neat and easy to read. As you create your signature, try to keep it clean and professional. Avoid adding too much information, especially if it makes the ending of your emails feel crowded. A well-organized signature is usually more effective and easier for recipients to scan quickly. Once your signature looks the way you want, click Save. That final step stores your changes, so your new signature is ready to use in Outlook. And that's it. You've successfully added a signature in Outlook. If you want, you can always return to the same signatures section later to update it, refine the formatting, or create a different version for other types of messages. Setting this up only takes a moment, but it can make your emails look more polished and consistent every time you send one.